I've always tried to build our business with one main concept, and that is to buy products direct from manufacturers that actually make it.
È un procedimento abbastanza complicato, tenendo presente che noi facciamo pezzi unici.
It can't be duplicated in other parts of the world, where you take a piece of solid wood and you hand distress it with rocks and tools that the Italians have used for hundreds and hundreds of years.
E la cosa più importante, chi prende quel mobile, chi lo compra, la firma è la garanzia dell'autenticità che il prodotto è italiano.
I am personally very proud to sell products that are heirloom quality. A table certainly, to me, means family, friends, special occasions, and to sit around a Bell'Arte table just makes it even more special.